was 6.8 knots when they did. So it is basically not possible. We have to have a strong anchor for the people to get in. For that, we are arranging various sources. We are trying a tugboat. We are taking the help of local fishermen also, because they'll know the current, they know the tides, etc. And also, meanwhile, this pontoon also we are trying to bring it. So we'll get clarity by today.
What are the real hurdles for this?
So yesterday they were trying to bring it, but it had to be dismantled and again assembled here. The technical team was not available in the port, so they're coming today. And after they come, we'll be able to arrange for the logistics. Fishermen, they have local knowledge, alva. They know how the current is, what can be done, where to anchor, what is the nature of the terrain and everything. So we'll take their inputs. So the local fishermen, the Malpe team, that is expert team that has come from Udupi, as well as the Navy, they will all together now sit and come up with a concrete plan.
From where the dive?
That's what we need to have a strong anchor. I cannot take the call of taking that risk. The technical team has to sit together and give us a confirmation. Only then we'll be able to go ahead.
From where the pontoon is coming now?
It is in our port only. It is here only in the district. But the technical team to assemble and deassemble, that has to arrive. So they are coming from Rajasthan. It will take some time.
You said right now the current speed of the current is almost 6.6.
6.8.
Knots. Can we send these local divers into that current? Is it possible?
Our divers.
This Malpe team?
No, that's what they are sitting. Again, I am reinstating that the Navy, the Malpe team, as well as the local fishermen, they will sit together now. They'll come up with a plan whether it is safe or not, and we need a strong anchor. Unless that anchor is done, we cannot allow. So that we are arranging for.
Okay, thank you.
ഫ്ലോട്ടിംഗ് പോണ്ടൂൺ എത്തിക്കും അതിനൊക്കെയുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ സജ്ജീകരണങ്ങൾ തയ്യാറായിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്നാണ് ഉത്തര കന്നഡ കളക്ടർ ഇപ്പോൾ വ്യക്തമാക്കിയത്. പ്രാദേശിക മത്സ്യത്തൊഴിലാളികൾ, സ്കൂബ ഡൈവേഴ്സ്, ഒപ്പം തന്നെ നേവി സംഘം ഒരുമിച്ചിരുന്ന് ചർച്ച ചെയ്താകും അടുത്ത നടപടികൾ തീരുമാനിക്കുക എന്ന്.